Yeah, hello and welcome guys. So here I am again with a new video around AI. So in this video we'll try creating a video itself using a tool that is ELAI. You see an app.eli.io, and once you log in you can even log in with a demo mail usage. Basically this is just a temporary email ID I have used for the purpose of registering here, and yeah, of course it is working too because there is no validation around the security, so you can use any temporary even the email. So why I would be suggesting with a temporary for trying any new, because it may be serious exposure to and some security threats around. So that is why I will always suggest you to use your temporary, not your just personal you are using. Any temporary, like you can have a Yelp mail, you can just type here any email ID and it will be yours. Okay, let's say labs only for ABC, let's say. And if you the moment you use, now if someone have already used, so you can use the same one. Okay, so this is how I will be moving ahead. So I have already signed up with this particular email ID, and here now you see I am on this dashboard. If you click on the logo you will find something like this. So after the login you will be here. So here I am going to use create video. Here you see on the top. Now from the template, of course you can go for, and AI storyboard is also the one you can go for. So let's say I have used this the template. Now here I'll be soft skills training, so you can type here the topics. Okay, let's say the Moodle development. Yeah, so this is something I just type and I click on the generate here, and the result will I will have here in front of me, and it say this is a video outline and introduction to Moodle development. This you see here. So create slides. So let's see. In case you don't love this description, you can go for creating a regenerate. Okay, so the moment you click on that, it will be reshuffle some stuffs and you'll have here like this. Right. So now here you see the buttons. It appears add more slides. Yeah, of course I can go for if you I need it, but now not now. Okay. Let's say let me try adding here Moodle roles and capability. So I want around this also. So I just press here, and you see it is again generating some more content for me. Yeah. So again you'll have here the roles. So some context around the roles it will create, and I will again create on by clicking here. Correct. So again here it will take time and it will be added here some more slides. You see, so far you see this is 20 seconds, 26, 20, this and all the seconds will be added here. So now I can see here the I can also change the templates here in case you need. So let's say like this change. Okay, so template will be changed, and the plus icon I see. Let's see what the plus is. Yeah. So side visual, of course, any thing you can change and go here. Let's say, yeah. So speech text. So I'm trying this one for the first time, so it will take time here for me itself. So now I'll be clicking here. You see here now I'll be clicking here convert to slides. Okay, apply new templates. Okay, so I have click on that. So I just try with the new template. So yeah, remove. So some context missing. Okay, so the for missing content I want to remove that one. So it appears some context is missing in your video, so you could use AI to generate or remove. So I don't want to use that one because it's just a sample one, so we'll be moving through whatever the fix I have. But yeah, we have options here add with AI. So let's say what all it removes. Yes, so now in front of me I have video ready. and I can run through it. Okay, so let me try playing this video itself. So
On for educational purposes. Developers can enhance user experience, create plugins, and integrate external tools. Understanding PHP, MySQL, and web standards is essential. Participating in community forums and using documentation can help new
yeah,
developers
so
gain
so the first
insights
slide
and
I am
improve
running
their
here, you see now, similar way I can go for the second slides.
To set
And
up a Moodle development environment, install a local server stack like XAMPP or MAMP, set up a database, and download.
okay, so this is giving me the steps how to set up the Moodle development, and again understanding the Moodle architecture will be of course the third topic. So it gave me in a sequence because I have generated it from the AI, so it is doing the job in right way. But yeah,
Moodle development offers opportunities to create custom plugins that enhance functionality and user experience. By leveraging the Moodle API, developers can integrate unique features
yeah. So
tailored to
here I
specific
see some
educational
extra,
needs.
yeah. So on this section I see some extra dots. So will I be able to remove that? Let me check that one. So here, not here. So here I see some extra blocks. Yeah, of course you will have here the feature. You can select that one and you can remove that one. And even you want to add more, you are always here. The options are here. You can go for adding more. Yeah, so but I will not be adding more here, so I'm just going through and I will trying to export this one, and let's see whether I will be able to do that or not. So the preview here, after creating, you can check each and every slides, and in case you need to edit anything you can go for editing that one. Yeah, now I can see here on top row corner. Now I am creating for this one for a bigger screen, so that is why I have the 69 aspect ratio. In case you have a smaller device, you can go for that one. In case you are looking for the square screen, then one by one you can go for. But yeah, for me it's for a bigger screen, so 69 is all fine. So let me preview here. Okay.
Moodle development involves creating
Yeah.
and
So this is
customizing the
preview.
Moodle
Here you
platform
can
for
see.
educational purposes. Developers can enhance user experience, create plugins, and integrate external tools. Understanding PHP, MySQL, and web standards is essential.
Well, so you
Participating in
see it's
community
all
forums
fine.
and using
So now let me
documentation
stop
can
this
help new
rendering part. So now I will sorry, preview part I just stop. Uh, so everything here I see. Let me try start rendering. So slides can have is haven't a space. Please add a space to text. So slide 16 I don't have much. Yeah, so I will just removing this one. So I don't want to have this. Yeah, so I remove that. I can remove from here. Sorry, I remove the 15 as well. So yeah, even the control Z is working fine. So I just control Z here, and 15 is, I think it is getting rolled back. Yes, it is. So now I will click here on the render and try start render. And ideally the render means it should be ready for download for me, but let's see, not enough minutes. So you don't have enough minute to render this, so I'll be try removing some stuffs here. So I think I only have 3 minutes. So in case of free plan you will only have the 3 minutes. So available minutes I have only one. Okay, so for the free plan I will only have the 1 minute. So just is downloading this one. So okay. Yeah, so your video is ready, and it will be ready in about 1 minute. So video duration is this. So I was only able to manage within less than 1 minute. So ready in 1 minute you see here, but let's see.
set up a Moodle development environment, install a local server stack like XAMPP or MAMP, set up a database, and download the Moodle codebase. Configure your web server and ensure PHP meets the necessary requirements. Finally, access Moodle via your browser to complete the installation process and start developing plugins or themes.
Yeah, so you see this is all good, and here I can see, oh, export as a SCOM feature is also here, but I guess it will be coming in the paid one, but not here the facility. So I can download this as a normal video. So either audio for this one I can download and I can go for the video. So let's see, I'm going for the video one, and of course it is downloading. And here let me try playing that one again. So again let me try play this one here, and if I double click on this,
Moodle development involves creating and customizing the Moodle platform for educational
okay, so
purposes.
this is how you'll
Developers
be
can
able to
enhance
use this tool. So I think it is all fine for whenever you are here to create a video less than 1 minute of length. I think this is perfectly fine for your case. And the minute you can go for the only one. So upgrade to a paid plan. So let me also explore here what all you have in the paid plan. So if I click on this, for the basic one, I can go for 23 USD dollar per month. So and it will give you the 180 minutes per year only. So it has the limitation all around. So I don't think it is much well suited will be in your case. So in case you go for the advanced one, so $59 per month per user per month, and the three user bill annually, and this is the per year. So it has limitations. So I think this will be the much costier looking at the market trend you have. Okay, so you can decide it at your end, but this is how we have to how you can use to create a video that is the less than 1 minute of length. And of course you can download the video of, suppose you have to create a 5 minute video, you can create a 1 minute each and you can go for download, and you can merge those video with a different tool. Okay, thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.